Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the basics of Hamming code. So Hamming code is basically used to digital data transmission as well as digital data reception. So actually the it is also able to detect and correct single bit error. Okay, so it is used only for detecting and correcting single bit error in the received data. Next, the number of parity bits can be obtained from the formula. So here the formula is given to attach some parity bits to the transmitted data. Okay, so whatever data you want to transmit, that data should not be transmitted alone. We have to attach some parity bits to the message bits. Okay, so we have this formula. So 2 raised to p greater than or equal to p plus m plus 1. So to here the M indicates number of message bits. This message bits means your actual message data. Okay, data bits. And P is for number of parity bits. So here along with this message bits we have to attach the parity bits. Okay, so that the will receiver will be able to detect whether there is an error or not in the message. Okay, so why we attach the parity bits? Why we attach the parity bits? The parity bit is used to secure the communication, or the receiver should able to understand or detect whether the received data has any error or not. That's why to secure the communication or for the easier communication we use the or we attach the parity bits along with the message bits. Now consider the message size is equal to 4 bits. Okay, then how many parity bits should be attached with this Hamming code? Okay, so let us find out. So consider m equal to 4 bits so 2 raised to p is greater than or equal to p plus 4 plus 1, so which is equal to p plus 5. Okay, so to satisfy this equation, which value should be placed at the position of p? If I will place here p equal to 2, then this equation will not be satisfied because 4 is greater than or equal to 2 plus 5, that is 7. So equation will not be satisfied. So to make it satisfied, p, if I will place here p equal to 3, then what will happen? 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, greater than or equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this way the equation is satisfied with value p equal to 3. Okay, now we will see how to form the Hamming code. So actually here the value of p is equal to 3. Okay, and value of m equal to 4. So here there is a notation of Hamming code which is called total number of bits in the Hamming code comma the message bits. Okay, so here it is represented as a comma b. So here a indicates Hamming code size, and b indicates the message bits. Okay, so here what is our Hamming code size? So here Hamming code size is m plus p, that is 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So in this case we have to form 7 comma 4 Hamming code. Okay, so how to form this Hamming code? So total, I will just write here, total 7 bits has to be transmitted by the transmitter and receiver has to again receive the same thing. Okay, so we'll just write down the sequence of bits: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now what is the actual position of parity bits and the message bits? That is the question. So here it's very simple to put or the fixing the parity bits as well as the message bits. So here we have to put the parity bits at the 2 raised to power bit numbers. So 2 raised to power bit numbers means 2 raised to 0, that is 1, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, and 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so here these positions are used to put the parity bits. Okay, so here I will simply write p1 P2 and P3. Now what about the message bits? The message bits should be placed at the third position, fifth position, sixth position and seventh position. So I will write simply here M1, M2, M3 and M4. So this is our Hamming code. Okay, Hamming code. Okay, so this is how we have to form the Hamming code. Now what about the P1, P2 and P3? So these are the parity bits, right? So parity means what? Parity is having only two types. That is, the first parity type is even parity and second is odd parity. So here even parity means even parity. Even parity means the total number of ones, logic ones should be even numbers. Okay, even. And odd parity means the total number of ones in the message should be odd. That means 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. And in case of even parity, the total number of ones should be 0, 2, 4, 6 like this. Okay, so I hope you understood this how to form the Hamming code. Okay, so we will see some examples based on the Hamming code in the next video. Thank you.